So check this out. Look at this. This thing weighs a freaking ton, and it's moving real slow. This thing has a slow move to it. I just want to show y'all what I use to lube up these van doors. They can get really heavy and a little harder to move, especially on older vans like this. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to show y'all exactly how good this stuff works for things like this. You never want to use WD-40 on these roller types. So what this is a roller that rolls here, and there's a roller that's on a track that runs up here, and you can see dust and things get down inside there. And what I want to show y'all is what I use to make this van door go a little smoother. I did it when I first got the van, and they've been working good, but you know what, it's been about a year, and now it's time to lube it up again. And what I have here is the Blaster high performance white lithium grease. This stays put, won't run. It goes on easy. It prevents rust. It protects from moisture. It leaves a thick layer of grease behind. You know, auto hinges and latches, hitches, receivers, gears, hoists and wrenches, forklifts, bearings, pretty much this thing, anywhere where there's a lot of metal on metal contact, I highly recommend this stuff right here. Hey, shake the can. Spray literally on surfaces. Don't be shy. Spray more if needed. And there is you hear that? There's a marble in there. So what I want to do, I'm going to shake this up. Let's get this shaken up. And what I'm actually going to do first is I'm going to use the Isopro alcohol. This is 90%. I got me a microfiber, you know, towel here, and I'm going to clean inside this right here and then spray down the lithium grease. So first thing I want to do is clean all of this area out really good right here. And the thing with lithium grease, you see I have a rubber seal here. It doesn't harm that seal like sometimes some lubricant will break down the seal. So let's go ahead and do that now. First thing I'm going to do, give me some rubbing alcohol and get down in here on this track the best I can. Obviously, I'm not going to be able to get it 100%, but you know what? I'm going to do the best I can. This door actually goes back in here a good ways. And then the same way with this track up here. And this runs inside this track. I'm going to do both sides, but I'm just going to show y'all on this one side for the purpose of this video. All right, I think we got it good enough. Look at that, everybody. Close that up. And the cool thing is this does come with a little straw. It's stuck into the side right here, and when you're done with it, the straw actually in that right there. But I'm going to put this right here. The straw goes like that. You see how it comes out. So let's get down inside here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually run this whole area here. I want to cover that roller up the best I can. And then up here, now that I got that done, I'm going to get the towel and just kind of like knock up any of this excess. Now, there we go. Let's try this out. Actually, that's a lot better too. I can tell y'all, look at that. That is one-handed operation now. That is so much smoother operation. That worked awesome. And you hear this door? Get down in there some. For anyone that's wanting to lube up their doors and latches and things like that, I highly recommend the Blaster white lithium grease. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today, and I will see y'all in the next video. See ya.